right, here we go. First attempt at overtime in the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series race at Darlington. Here we go, Ty Majeski leads. Hope they make it to the white flag.
Looks like the
Heck.
45 of Ross Chastain gets out ahead. They're wrecking side by side into the wall.
Oh my God, Ty. Yep, he just got screwed. Nick Sanchez up to second.
Shot out of a cannon, and looking at the two, and
Nick Sanchez went from the back and could potentially win this race.
Ben Rhodes right there as well.
Here comes Eckes trying to get to the outside. Ben Rhodes not able to do it this time.
Well, we're going to make it to the white flag.
The white flag is in the air for Ross Chastain. The next flag will end it.
One lap to go.
Nick Sanchez is trying to heat Chastain up. It was full send into the
He's got to try something.
Look at him. He's gaining on Chastain.
Nick Sanchez has a win in the bag already this year. Ross Chastain's just here for the wins. Part-timer hasn't won on the Truck Series since 2022. Can he get it done here?
Can't make it. Ross Chastain's going to win at Darlington.
At Darlington.
Nick Sanchez will finish second. Ty Majeski will finish fifth.
Led all night long, but
Wow. Majeski got... Yeah, that caution cost Majeski this win.
We saw for a moment ago on the pit box and Ross Chastain.
At least Eckes finishes
truck was fast at Kansas.
cool, I guess.
And Ross Chastain said it's
Yep,
even
Ford's
faster.
winless drought continues.
so cool.
Yep.
For
Oh wow,
Ross
they got the
Chastain
watermelon
as he
ready to
enters
go.
lane this season. Oh, they've got the watermelon. We're gonna see some watermelon
Colby
smash.
Howard
How about
finishes
that
top
restart
10.
from Ross
So
Chastain?
big.
Magic.
How did you mess up that restart?
There was the difference.
And look at that
Yeah,
white
Jake
truck on the inside.
And also Jake Garcia cost himself a top 10 finish with
That was
fifth.
Jake Garcia who got into
He's
it.
not like Jack Wood
But he
intentionally
stayed high.
caused
We were
that
able to keep
yellow.
racing. Look at this battle. Ben Rhodes, best finish of the year for him. Nick Sanchez with a great restart ends up second. But it's all about the Melon Man.
A lot of drivers that needed a good finish got one here. With Ben Rhodes and Ty Majeski. How about Chase Purdy back in the sixth spot? Right for him. Taylor Drake fought his way back up into the top 10.
Top 10. Ty Dillon. The crowd is all on their feet. Philip looking over their shoulders here. They got their cell phones out, video and all this celebration for
At
Ross
least these
Chastain.
motorsports will get some
And they
rain
know what's
again.
coming. There's going to be a watermelon splash, smash. There's the melon.
Ross Chastain is the sixth different winner in 2024. He is burning it down.
Damn.
The third tire is gone on that truck already.
I think this is his third career win in trucks.
Ross
He
Chastain
was a win
used to run the
at
Truck Series quite a bit more
One
than
at-
ran full time. It's come back when
one
he's
at Gateway, Kansas.
I love it. The team is
Kansas,
out there
Gateway,
ready to
Pocono,
celebrate.
now Darlington. He's gonna smash the melon. Here we go. See, Mom. There we go. What other truck race did Ross Chastain win? I forgot about.
Celebration, it's fantastic.
You can hear Ross from behind the wheel, how good it feels to win at Darlington.
And this is a guy that has won multiple cup
Yeah,
races.
that
now
Darlington
in his
race that
career.
Chastain should have won Xfinity. It doesn't really hurt as much since he
Going
went
back
to
to
Las
his roots
Vegas
for
not too
Ross
long after.
Chastain. He was
weeks
just,
after.
he was a journeyman. He ran in every series. And to come out here
Wow.
and get the win.
There's Annalise right there.
Oh, one happy man.
Talked to him today in a garage area. He's so happy to have this guy in his truck.
Chase Purdy got top
Reunited, and
10.
it feels so good.
He said, I got it next
I
week
know
too.
managed to get a top 10 tonight too.
Does she have a watermelon shirt on? That's great.
Wallace Allen, 12th place. Let's go.
What a celebration.
Jake Garcia finished 20th after running top
And
5
it's
in that one.
excitement, enthusiasm. That's what it's all about right there.
Amanda is with our very fired up winner, Ross Chastain.
Oh, and look at him still taking in this moment. And Ross, as much as that watermelon smash
Yep.
will be
The
And he eats
highlight
it.
of this
Yep.
race, the other
Chastain just
punctuation
eats
on
the
it
worm.
was that restart.
Wow.
How much grit